Book Hornbill, Chapter 6, The Browning Version, written by Terence Rattigan. This short one act play highlights the attitude of a teenaged student, a 16-year-old student, towards his teacher. And the comments he makes are very shocking because they are very close to reality. He imitates his teacher's voice, Mr. Crocker Harris. He calls his teacher almost inhuman. He's afraid of his teacher. But his promotion depends on the goodwill of his teacher only. But he opens up when the other young science teacher, that is Mr. Frank, encourages him to do so. Then this student, Taplow, he hates his Greek play because he doesn't like the teacher's method of teaching. Mr. Crocker Harris, his teacher, seems to hate people. He doesn't like the people who likes him. And according to this student, he is still not a sadist. A sadist is a person who gets pleasure out of giving pain to others. He is not a sadist. But he doesn't like the people who likes him. He speaks about the poor little joke narrated by the teacher. The boy laughed out of common politeness without understanding the joke. But the teacher asks him to explain the joke to the class. Even Mrs. Crocker Harris is not quite happy with his nature. She creates in the end an excuse to send Taplow away. So this is a small play, a one act play, and there are four main characters in the play. One is Frank, a young science teacher. Then is Taplow, of course, a student who is 16 years old. Mr. Crocker Harris, an elderly middle-aged teacher whom Taplow talks about. And there is Mrs. Crocker Harris. She is wife of Mr. Crocker Harris and she is in her late 30s. Now see these, notice these expressions in the text, infer their meaning from the text. Now first word here is remove. Remove means promotion to the next class. Slackers. Slackers are lazy students of the class. Muck means rubbish. Kept in means detained or kept back. Got carried away means got excited. Cut means go away without permission. Then sadist, a person who gets pleasure out of giving pain to others, inflicting pain to others. And shriveled means having no feelings, showing no feelings. Now see down, this is an excerpt from the Browning version. Excerpt means a short piece of writing from the play, Browning version. The scene is in a school. Frank is young and Crocker Harris is in middle age. Both are the teachers. Both are masters, means teachers. Taplow is a boy of 16 who has come in to do extra work for Crocker Harris. But the latter, Crocker Harris, has not yet arrived and Frank finds time to talk to Taplow. Now here is a conversation between science teacher Frank and Taplow. Do I know you? Taplow, no sir. What's your name? Taplow. Taplow, no I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather. Scientist means in the science class. No sir, I'm still in the lower fifth. I can't specialize until next term. That is to say, if I have got my remove, all right. So he says that no, he is still in lower fifth and he can't specialize, he can't go to the next class. It means this. If he doesn't get his remove. Remove means if he doesn't get his promotion to the next class. Then his science teacher says, Frank says, don't you know if you have got your remove? Mr. Frank कहते हैं तो अभी तक तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है तुम्हारा promotion हो गया है. No sir, Crocker Harris doesn't tell us the results like the other masters. Then Taplow says that Mr. Crocker Harris doesn't tell the result like the other teachers. They tell before the exact time. Well, Frank says, why not? Taplow, well, you know that he's like sir. Frank, I believe there is a rule that form results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of term. Then Frank only says, okay, then he must not have told because it is a rule that the results should be announced only on the last day by the headmaster. Taplow, yes, but who else pays attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? Taplow कहता है, but then who else, who other teachers doesn't pay attention to this rule? Only Mr. Crocker Harris. I don't, I admit, but that's not criterion. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate, have you? So Mr. Frank says that I admit, I don't. So Frank says yes, he admits that he doesn't wait for the last moment. But he says that's not the criterion. He says that's not the standard to judge the teachers. And then he says that, okay, then you have to wait, he has to wait for one more day. Yes, sir. Supposing the answer is favorable, what then? Then Frank says, suppose your promotion is done, then what you will do? Oh, science, sir, of course. Taplo कहता है, sir, I'll take science. Frank, sadly, yes, we get all the slackers. तो Frank कहते हैं, okay. He says very sorrowfully, he says, okay, we get all the slackers. Slackers means lazy students. कहता है, हाँ, तुम्हारी तरह सारे lazy students हमारी क्लास में आ जाएंगे. Taplo protestingly, I'm extremely interested in science, sir. Taplo एकदम से कहता है, no sir, protestingly means opposingly. No sir, he says that he's very interested in science. Are you? I'm not. Not at least in the science I have to teach. So Mr. Frank कहते हैं, are you interested? Then Mr. Frank says that he's not interested in science, though he's teaching the science. Well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal more exciting than this muck indicating this book. Then Taplo says that, sir, science is very, very exciting than this muck. Muck means he indicates some book in his hand. He's got a book that is Greek book. He says, sir, that science is very interesting, more interesting, more exciting than this muck. Muck, I told you already, that the rubbish. He points out to the book. What is this muck? Taplo says, Aeschylus, sir, the Agamemnon. Then Taplo says, this is this book. And your considered view is that Agamemnon is muck. तो मिस्टर फ्रैंक कहते हैं तो तुम्हारा जो कंसिडर्ड व्यू है, केयरफुल थॉट है, आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि ये जो बुक है एगमेनम, इट इज़ मक, इट इज़ रबिश. Well, no, sir, I don't think the play is muck, exactly. I suppose in a way it's rather a good plot, really a wife murdering her husband and all that. I only meant the way it is taught to us. Just a lot of Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. So Taplo says, no, sir, it's not that play is boring. Play is very rubbish. But the thing is, it is not taught in a correct way by Mr. Crocker Harris. His method of teaching is not correct. And then he says the play is okay, a wife murdering her husband. He says there are so many Greek words strung together, written together, and 50 lines if you get them wrong. So he says 50 lines hai, and there are some words. Frank, you sound a little bitter, Taplo. Mr. Frank उसे encourage करते हैं. यानी तुम थोड़े angry लग रहे हो, bitter लग रहे हो, Mr. Taplo. So this is all about in this video. Thank you.